Hi, today I make a comparison video about the Creality scanner Otter and Raptor. So I will scan this Space Mouse, which has a black surface and also a metallic part because it's a symmetry. So when I use a turntable, the scanner will confuse which side it is. So I put on a marker and I will scan in both of the scanner in marker mode. On my turntable here, I have markers on a small pyramid. I start with the Otter. Small object, normal small object, marker mode. High quality turntable. Scan. Okay. I adjust the brightness. Because this is a small depth camera, I can only adjust the exposure of the infrared, but not the brightness for the marker. Okay, see like many markers. Okay, start scanner. As you can see that you only see 4 or 5 markers on the object. Okay, the top part of the Space Mouse is black reflective, so it's a bit more difficult to scan. I increase the brightness. I need to increase the brightness just a little bit to scan the black glossy about this part. I'm scanning the lower part. Okay, it's yeah, I missed something here. Okay, I missed something here. Okay, it's all green. This one could be blocked by the pyramid, so I'm gonna flip it over and then we merge it in the software later. I'm going to add some clay here. I make some manual adjustment. Okay, it's look better. I only need a bottom part so that I can merge it into a top part. Okay, I think I got all the bottom part. Let's stop the scan. So we have two top and the bottom part. Here's the top part. Okay, I'm gonna make a new project and I will scan this with the Raptor. Here's the Raptor. I will scan the same object, same orientation. I scan it twice, bottom part and the top part, and then we merge it in the software. So it's blue light resolution. This is the resolution for the viewport. I set it to 0.15. So when the resolution reached 0.15, it will turn green. So I know that it has enough information. Color mapping is no. I'll start the scan now. We have as we can see here, we have a IR exposure, which is the marker brightness. It uses infrared for tracking with the markers. And the brightness here is the brightness of the blue laser line. Here I think it's a little too late, so I make it a little bit brighter. So now I will start scanning. With the Raptor, you need to slowly wiggle the scanner, because if you don't do that, you're gonna have just a line. I need to zoom in just a bit. Okay. A little bit too much. Okay. Raptor, as you can see here, it's scan very good with the marker. I have 49 frame per second, 50 frame per second. If I change the resolution in the viewport to 0.4, I will get 60 frame per second on this laptop, which has RTX 4070 laptop GPU. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, I need to scan the a little bit of the upper part above the base, so it will have some feature to merge with the top part. I change the scanning angle. As you can see here that the Raptor is easier to scan small refractive object. It can pick up metal and gloss black better than Otter, and the scanning area is a bit larger than Otter, so it can see a lot of markers. Okay, we have all the bottom part. I complete the scan, the second scan, which is the top part, the blue laser. I start scanning now. As you can see here that Raptor is very good in tracking small objects with a low feature because it's used marker. It doesn't need any feature. You can actually scan a flat plate with this scanner to find like a whole schedule. For this object, I like to use the Raptor more. It's easier to scan. I think we have all the information. I will just complete the scanning. Let's take a look at the result. Here's the result from the Otter. Here's the result from the Raptor. I need to erase the low density point cloud here so it won't cause any trouble when merging. Let's try automatic merging first, but I don't think it will work because the overlap feature is very little. As you can see here, it cannot merge to point cloud because it doesn't have enough same feature, so I do it manually. Okay, so let's take a look at the USB port here. I'm choose this one here, one here. Actually, can I do this? Two here, two here, and what else share in common? I think 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this is the marker here at the bottom. I think it should be this one and this one. Let's see if it can do it. Alright, looks like it made it. Okay, actually I didn't actually click on the actual pixels here, but it matched the point cloud very well. Amazing. Okay, I would say yes. Next I will measure it to I would say 5 million. For the Raptor you can go up to 20 million faces, but the Otter can go like 5 millions. So if I want to do a fair comparison, I'll make it 5 million. Okay, here's the result that I put in Blender. The red one is Raptor, the green one is Otter. The top lid here, the Raptor is smoother because it can scan black refractive better than Otter. Black rubber here is similar. You can see the sharp edge here on both, but the Raptor is a little bit sharper, just a little bit sharper. Okay, now we look at the button groove. See the button groove here and the button shape. Okay, and then we look at the Otter one. Otter is the corner of the button is a bit less sharp edge on Otter, but if you look from a further distance, it has a similar look. Here you can see that orange here is no very little orange peel. Look at the bottom. The Raptor is give a sharper. This is a high refractive area. It's in a corner. This part is metal. Here we have an orange peel for the Otter, but Raptor give a better surface, overall surface. It's a power switch. Otter is less sharp. Raptor is sharper. So if you scan a small object with sharp edges, Raptor will give you a better result. What about the difficulty in scanning? In this object, surface and shape, Raptor is much easier to scan. You don't need any skill to scan this. But Otter, it's a bit harder to track because the shape and the surface of this object, the shape is symmetry. So when you rotate it for a few degrees, and then it will lose the track, so you need a marker. Otter in marker mode doesn't work, not so good. Raptor does better in marker mode because it's the only mode that it can scan in blue laser. It tracks better with the marker, but Otter is more difficult with the marker. If I will have to choose, I have a difficult object, like this one is difficult. It's black, it's glossy, it's metallic, and it's symmetry, low feature. I will choose Raptor over Otter for this kind of shape because it's easier to scan, and then it's easier to have a success. I test some more objects between these two scanner in the next video. Thanks for watching.